Welcome, beautiful ones. My name is Anel. I am professional telepathic communicator with animals, healer, and tantric massage therapist. And in this channel, Sensual Self, I inspire to create pure, loving relationship with yourself and with your loved ones. And in this particular video, I am gonna talk about the relationship between you and your animal that is crossing on another side. And we can have a very strong connection with our animals. So it's a natural state when they are on another side, or the transitioning on another side. It's really can be really challenging and really painful to deal with that. And in this particular video, I really want to share with you a ritual that I have received from one of my clients. And this beautiful lady dog crossed on another side a day before she contacted me. And during the communication with her dog, the dog shared with me that this ritual really supported him to transition much faster and in a much lighter way. Then after, I was recommending this ritual to other clients whose animals cross on another side, and always animals shared how beneficial, how grateful they were for this ritual. Therefore, I really want to share this ritual with you as well, so you can support your beautiful animals who are already in the process of transitioning to another stage of their soul evolution, which is without this animal body form. And the ritual is very simple. It's literally lighting a candle. You can create like an altar specifically created with the intention for your beloved animal, and every day light a candle with the intention or a prayer to support that soul to be surrounded by pure love and transform into pure essence of source within. And this prayer can be intuitive, can naturally flow from your heart as you create this beautiful altar and light a candle. I would recommend to light this candle few days in a row. You can do literally as long as you feel. When animals are transitioning on another side, or they're on another side, we still have connection with them, and intuitively they might guide us, or we just might have this inner knowing that this length of offering this ritual to them, it will be still beneficial. So just follow your intuition. It's a really beautiful part of this collaboration in this new style of relationship with your animal. So the ritual is very simple but highly beneficial for the animal, but also for you, because it does gives you a little bit kind of like a level of comfort that you're able to let go of this old dynamic of the relationship and really welcome the new fresh relationship with your beloved friend. When animals are on another side, during telepathic communication with them, they often share with their guardians that they still feel them, that they still look at them and support them from above. So in that time, it's really beneficial for you and for them to really surrender and open up to this new layer of awareness that your animal, it's still with you, it still feels you, it still loves you and acknowledges you, But the difference is that you're not able to have that in a physical reality, but your senses can still feel the connection with your beloved animal. So just the form of relationship is transitioning, because this is the cycle of life. It always flows, it always changes. And within this transition, it's just a new stage of a relationship between you and your beautiful animal. And I want to comfort you and send you lots of love, knowing that you're not alone with that, and your beautiful animal supports you from above. And if you feel called and want to communicate with your animal, connect or receive message from your animal, I do invite you to consultation session with me of telepathic communication with animals on another side. I'm sending you lots of love and big hug.